In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Forms survey. Whether you're looking to gather feedback, conduct a poll, or even organize an event, Google Forms offers a straightforward and efficient way to collect information from a wide range of people. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to access Google Forms. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you need to do so. Head over to Google Sites, click on the sign in button at the top right corner, enter your email address, hit next, then type in your password, and finally click on sign in. It's a simple process that gets you ready to create your survey. Once you've successfully signed in, it's time to find your way to your Google form. If you've never created a Google form before, don't worry. Google Forms has a user-friendly interface that guides you through the process, making it easy for first-timers. Now, the creative part begins. Type in your first question. Think about what you want to find out from your respondents. Crafting your questions is crucial because clear, concise questions lead to better, more usable responses. Google Forms automatically suggests question types as you type, but it's good to know your options. For questions that require brief, specific answers, click on Short Answer. This option is perfect for questions where the answer is a short piece of text, like a name or email address. On the other hand, for questions where you want to offer predefined answers for respondents to choose from, click on Multiple Choices. This option is great for gathering specific types of data and makes analysing your responses much more straightforward. Once you've selected multiple choices, you'll need to type in your options. These could be anything from yes or no to more complex options depending on what you're asking. Remember, the clarity of your options is just as important as the clarity of your questions. After you've created your questions and filled out your answer options, it's time to send your survey into the world. Click on Send at the top right of your screen. But before you do, consider how you want to share your survey. Do you want to email it directly to respondents, share a link, or embed it on a website? For most cases, sharing a link is the easiest and most flexible option. To get the link to your survey, click on the chain icon that appears after you hit send. This will bring up a box with a link to your survey. All that's left to do is click copy to grab the link, and then you can paste it wherever you need, be it an email, a social media post, or a website. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a Google Form survey. With this tool at your disposal, you're well on your way to collecting valuable information in the most efficient way possible. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides.